Workflow automation was a big step forward for productivity. Instead of doing the same tasks over and over again, you could build a system and then let it run. Then AI made those systems smarter. Instead of treating everything the same, now workflows could interpret data, make simple decisions, and adjust what happens next. But you still had to build the system yourself. You still had to decide the steps, choose the apps, and wire everything together. Now, with AI agents, all that goes away. You don't build the system anymore. You just describe what you want to happen, and the system builds itself. Right now, automation looks like this. You build a workflow. Step 1, trigger. Step 2, do something. Step 3, do something else. And you have to decide all of it. Which apps to use, what order they go in, how the data moves between them. It's kind of like building a Rube Goldberg machine just to send an email. It works, but it's a lot of upfront effort just to save time later. AI agents flip that model. Instead of building the machine, you just describe the outcome you want. When a new lead comes in, qualify them, sign them up, and send them an email. And that's it. No steps, no app selection, no wiring everything together. The agent figures out how to make it happen. A helpful way to think about this is traditional automation is like you're designing a house yourself. You decide everything, where the rooms go, how it's structured, how it all fits together. AI agents are different. They're more like hiring a contractor. You don't draw every blueprint, you just say what you want, and they figure out how to build it for you. Under the hood, that's because an AI agent is making decisions. It's not just running instructions you gave it, it's interpreting a goal. So instead of do one step, then another, it's thinking, what's the best way to accomplish this? And then it chooses which tools to use, what order to use them in, how to handle the data, and even what to do if something changes. This is the big shift. With workflows, you build the system. With an AI agent, the system builds itself around what you want. And that matters more than it sounds, because most people don't struggle with ideas. They know what they want to happen. The hard part is everything in between. Connecting tools, setting up logic, fixing things when they break, babysitting the system. AI agents remove that layer. You don't have to think like a developer anymore. You don't have to think in steps, you just think. What do I want to happen? And the agent figures out the rest. We're basically moving from building workflows to describing outcomes. And that makes work a lot easier. And honestly, once you've experienced that shift, going back to building everything step by step feels a little unnecessary.